welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna discuss on HR function. Before going to a topic, I request you to subscribe my channel. Okay, so in the last video I had discussed on human resource management. Today we're gonna discuss on HR function. Okay, let's quickly get into our topic.
In human resource management, there are two major functions. The first function is managerial function, second operational function. In managerial function, there are four dimensions. The first is planning. Work bigger is often. So, if the organization plans well, it will be of success to the organization goals. Planning is important role of HR department. It involves human resource planning, requirements, recruitment, followed by selection and training. And HRM helps the organization to analyze and identify, to collect and current plus future needs within the organization. Organization will be forecasting for the current and future benefits. That is called planning. The next is organizing. Organization of the task is another important step. Task is allocated to every member as per the skills and activities or integrated towards a common goal. So, in the organization, there are different employees having a different skills. At the end, everyone will be contributing in collective way towards the common goals. That needs to be organized. So, that is called organizing. Next is directing. The next management function of an HRM after planning and organizing is the direction function, that is the execution of the plan. The fundamental function of human resource management is motivating, leading, commanding, and activating people at any level. And the main thing is like it will happen through the well motivating and command and cooperation. If it happens, that will lead to the organization goals. The next is controlling. Controlling function is the last managerial function of HR management department. After the completion of planning, organizing, and directing, controlling involves the verification of the performance to know that the functions of personnel management are done in conformity with the directions as well the plan of an organization. Next, we're gonna discuss on operational function. The first point is employment. Employment is the foremost operative function of HRM. This task carried out by the HR managers for all the department of any organization. Say suppose there is a new organization, job analysis, recruitment, selection, placing of the candidate, induction session, and all will be conducted by the HR department. Next is training and development. The operational process of HRM involves improving, changing the skills, knowledge, aptitude, creative ability, values, and commitment based on the requirement of the organization and job vacancies for both present and future. Say suppose in the organization if they hire a new person, need to train before getting into the position because he will be knowledge to start working on his project without any support. If there is no training, he might not be having the knowledge and he needs support to take in care. So that is why training and development plays a major role within the organization. Compensation. Compensation means determining the pay scale and other emoluments for the employees. Establishing and maintaining properly the pay system of any firm is considered to be the most important task of HR managers. To say in simple words, at the end, everyone working for salary. So here HR manager placing important role to maintain the employee pay scale and to add if the employee achieves the goal monthly or quarterly basis. HR department need to keep the track to provide monthly incentives and rewards. Industrial relation. Industrial relations are basically the interactions between employees and the government and the institutions and associations through which such interactions are mediated. Last but not the least, employee personal record. The employee personal file is the main employee file that contains the history of employment relationship from employment application through an exit interview and employment termination documentation. Starting from hiring and firing, it is an HR department responsibility to keep the employee record within the organization, and only the HR department having the access to view those particular documents when it comes to auditing and to issue the work experience letter to the employees. Hope you all understood the main HR functions. In the next video, I would like to discuss on HR principles. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.